Who doesn't want flawless, glowing skin and bouncy hair? Two of the most common beauty wishes. The anxiety that builds with trying to be perfect can often have you resorting to chemical-laden products and expensive, unnecessary treatments. What if we told you there's a much simpler way to achieve this? Here's where castor oil can help. Hi viewers, and welcome back to another Bestie video. Castor oil is an ancient, natural remedy known for its incredible benefits and unpleasant taste. It is extracted from the seeds of the ricinus plant and commonly used as an active ingredient in many medications, skincare products, and shampoos. This natural beauty ingredient can solve most of your skin and hair problems, and in today's video, we'll tell you how. From delaying signs of aging, maintaining complexion, getting rid of dandruff, clearing stretch marks, to promoting hair growth and more, watch till the end to learn about all of them. Number 1. Helps treat acne. This common skin condition is a result of impurities accumulating in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many of the acne remedies on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which tend to dry out the skin. Castor oil is a natural resource that will draw out dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils, and bacteria without drying out your skin. Place a bowl of boiling water on a stable surface and grab a towel. Holding the towel over your head, lean over the bowl of water. Doing this will open your pores, which will later allow the castor oil to penetrate your skin deeply. Keep your face over the bowl for several minutes. Now take a washcloth and moisten it with warm water. Apply a small dime-sized amount of castor oil to the cloth. Gently rub the affected area with the cloth using small circular motions. Leave the oil on your skin overnight. When you wake up the next day, remove it using a damp towel to wipe away the oil. Using cold water, splash your face several times. This will shrink your pores. Pat your skin dry and use a facial cleanser to clean away the remaining castor oil. For best results, repeat these steps on a daily basis for 10 to 14 days. Have you ever had acne trouble? How were you able to get rid of it? Was it through natural remedies or medications? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. Number 2. Delays signs of aging. Castor oil has properties that delay signs of aging like wrinkles. It's known to fight inflammation, which can help combat free radicals that accelerate aging. Another reason is that it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. These two components in the skin are responsible for its elasticity and tautness. Its emollient properties allow the skin to quickly absorb it. This keeps your face hydrated and plump, which is also important in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You may use the oil under your eyes and around your mouth, on your forehead, and on the chin and neckline. Wash these areas in the morning and apply a drop of castor oil. Gently massage and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Wash it off with water. You can then follow it up with your regular skincare routine. Be wary of skin reactions. These may include itching, redness, swelling, and rashes. Do a patch test before you apply castor oil on your skin. Number 3. Promotes hair growth. Research has shown that castor oil helps stimulate hair growth. It contains ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe irritation on the scalp. It's also known to improve blood circulation, which can increase your hair's thickness and density. Being rich in omega-6 fatty acids, it can help improve overall hair health and texture. It can also help in treating seborrheic dermatitis, which is another inflammatory condition causing scaly patches on the scalp. Mix 2 tablespoons extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon castor oil. Now massage the mixture into your scalp from roots to tip. You could warm the oil for a little quicker penetration. Keep it on for a minimum of 60 minutes or even overnight for best results. Shampoo your hair to wash it off. This combination is perfect for inducing hair growth. You can make it in large quantities and store it by adding a capsule of vitamin E oil to increase its shelf life. Number 4. Maintains complexion. The richness of monounsaturated fatty acids in castor oil makes the skin smooth and soft when applied as a facial oil. It can also stimulate the growth of healthy skin tissues and revamp uneven skin tone, which enhances the skin texture and complexion. It has a very low comedogenic score, which means it lowers the risk of developing blackheads and has very little chance of clogging pores. This makes it suitable for all types of sensitive skin. To promote better absorption of castor oil, always dilute it in the ratio of 1:1 with other agents like olive and coconut oil. This will allow it to penetrate deep into the skin. Number 5. Helps treat psoriasis and eczema. As we mentioned earlier, ricinoleic acid in castor oil can relieve pain and inflammation. These properties may potentially help relieve psoriasis and eczema. You can apply the oil to the affected areas before going to bed. Let it get absorbed overnight as it's supposed to keep your skin moisturized. It can also fight Candida, which is a fungal infection. In a study, this oil eliminated Candida from contaminated human tooth roots. It may also aid the treatment of melasma, a condition that leaves brown patches on one's face. A study showed that a phenol castor oil peel reduced pigments in a severe case of melasma. Some research also shows that it can treat ringworm. Number 6. Gets rid of dandruff. The potential antifungal and antibacterial properties of castor oil removes all types of dandruff and treats scalp infections. Take 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and blend them together. Now apply to the scalp and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse well to ward off dandruff. Having dandruff can be rather embarrassing and annoying. Apart from castor oil, there are many natural remedies that can help you get rid of it. To find out more, watch this video titled "Get Rid of Dandruff for Good with these 13 Natural Remedies." Now back to the benefits of castor oil for hair and skin. Number 7. Clears stretch marks. Researchers in an article on castor oil described it as effective for treatment of stretch marks, thanks to the deep moisturizing agents that are linked to healing of these scars, but not necessarily the prevention. According to a study, 90% of its oil consists of monounsaturated fat, which can provide your skin with some extra conditioning so that it doesn't get dry. This keeps the appearance of stretch marks from becoming very obvious and prominent. All the extra elasticity from the generous dose of this good fat from castor oil can increase the elasticity of your skin, thereby preventing it from forming scars when it's stretched. Using your fingers, massage enough castor oil over the stretch marks to cover the entire affected area. For added moisture, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut or almond oil with 1 tablespoon castor oil. Avoid applying the treatment to the broken skin. Use a thin cotton cloth to cover the area. Leave the cloth on the area for about 15 to 20 minutes to help ensure the oil penetrates deeply. Covering the area with a heating pad or hot water bottle will speed up the results. Repeat this process on a regular basis to see a significant reduction in stretch marks. Number 8. It's a deep facial cleanser. Along with treating acne, you can use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. Unlike harsh chemicals and over-the-counter facial cleansers that dry out your skin, this oil acts as a deep cleanser. It helps get rid of pimples fast, deep cleans your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead cells, and excess oils while keeping it soft, supple, and flawless. Using a generous amount of the oil in the palm of your hands, rub together to warm it up. Using slow, firm motions across your skin, massage it into your face, paying particular attention to any areas that may be a problem. When your pores are thoroughly saturated, take a clean washcloth and soak in hot water. Place the washcloth over your face. Leave it on until it's become cool to the touch. Gently wipe your face with the washcloth and then rinse in hot running water. Repeat these steps several times to thoroughly clean your face. Be sure not to scrub your face hard during the final step of the process. Number 9. Keeps your skin moisturized. The potential anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in castor oil assists in healing skin problems, shielding your skin from bacterial infections and removing microbes causing skin issues. The abundance of triglycerides helps maintain skin moisture and dry skin. In addition, its humectant properties can retain moisture by preventing water loss and keeping your skin well hydrated throughout the day. Have you ever used castor oil? What did you use it for? Did it help? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.